Hi there foodies, welcome to Deepaks kitchen. Have you ever tasted chicken ghee roast in Shetty's lunch home in Mangalore? You know that just isn't just a fry, it's an obsession. It's that deep, dark, fiery red masala, that sticky, tangy, absolutely swimming in aromatic ghee. You might think you need a restaurant kitchen to get that color and flavor, but you don't. I'm going to show you exactly how to get that beautiful finger licking at your home. Trust me, your kitchen is about to smell insane. Let's see how this awesome chicken ghee roast is made. Let's do that. These are the ingredients which require to make this ghee roast. Take a screenshot if you want. First, these are cinnamon and cloves and some black pepper, red chili powder, and this is methi seeds and some jeera, turmeric powder. This comes the coriander seeds, and I will use some curry leaves. This is optional, and some salt to taste, ginger and garlic. This is the main hero, the ghee, and this is an optional ingredient also. I'm using some of a chicken stock, and this is the soaked Byadgi chilies. I have soaked these Byadgi chilies overnight so that it's easy to grind and it plumps up and hydrates itself and make a fine paste of it. So while making the paste, it will help immensely. So I'm using this Byadgi chilies. Here comes the chicken. I have taken nearly 600 grams of chicken which has a curry cut, and to this we need to marinate. I'll add a little bit of a turmeric, the red chili powder, and some salt. Mix everything nice and good. This is the basic marination and we'll allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes. Now let's see how to make this perfect secret masala. Now here I've taken a pan. In this we are going to dry roast these ingredients. First we'll add some fenugreek seeds, that's menthe, and we need to roast until it's somewhat red in color. So you can see here it's nicely roasted. You get this color means it's done. At this time we'll add some cloves and cinnamon, and here comes the jeera. Nearly half a teaspoon is more than enough, and the pepper, it's most important. Similarly, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of it, and here comes the 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, and allow them to roast in a low to medium flame until a nice aroma arises, and it will take anywhere between 3 minutes or so. Now you can see everything is perfectly done. You can see the color has also been changed a bit. Now let's take this out in a plate and allow them to cool. Let's allow this to cool down, and we'll add this into the mixie jar, and I'll grind it to a coarse powder just like this. You can see it's perfectly grounded. Now it's perfectly done. At this time we'll add some garlic and ginger. The garlic should be more, and we'll add the soaked Byadgi chilies. I'll add a little bit of a water to make a fine paste like this. Now this is the masala paste which we use for the ghee roast. Now this is perfect. This is done. Let's keep this aside. Now in the same pan I will add ghee, say nearly a 50 ml of ghee. When the ghee is hot, we'll add the marinated chicken. Now look, we need to keep the flame to high, and we need to cook the chicken until the chicken oozes out all its moisture, and it will happen when you leave it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see I'll add some curry leaves also in between because I love the curry leaves in this, and this is totally optional. If you don't want to use curry leaves, you can totally skip it. So we'll allow this chicken to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes to ooze out its moisture. Now you can see after 3 minutes or so, the chicken has oozed out all its moisture. At this time we'll add the prepared masala paste. Now we need to cook this masala paste until this moisture completely evaporates, and you can see here it's completely gone. At this time we need to cook the masala and roast until all the water evaporates and a nice roasty smell comes out. Now we'll add little bit of this chicken stock. If you want, you can add just the ghee itself. They use little bit of a chicken stock there, so I'm using 2 teaspoons of chicken stock to enhance the flavor, and keep on drying it. In between we'll add some ghee. I will add it in 3 batches, so we'll incorporate this ghee into this roast. The secret here is to keep mixing, keep scraping, and keep roasting. That's it. You just need to repeat this process again and again until the ghee floats on the top, just like this. At this time we'll add some garam masala powder. Say half a teaspoon of it, more than enough. You can see already the ghee is leaving the pan. It means that the chicken roast is perfectly done. There is no moisture present. Finally, I will add the final touch, the final ingredient, that's again the ghee, and we'll add another sprig of curry leaves and give it a final toss. That's it. Our chicken ghee roast, that to a Shetty's lunch home style ghee roast, is now ready. First the heat kicks in, but the ghee just smooths everything out. It's rich, it's velvety, and the meat literally is melting. Seriously, don't count calories today. Just get some neer dosa. Honestly, just a slice of plain bread and wipe that masala clean off the plate. You owe it to yourself. And this recipe is this simple to make. If you love this recipe, then do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon and touch the notifications to all. We'll be back with another one. Till then, Deepaks signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.